Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am super excited to share how we have helped the outdoor boiler owners extend the life of their investment, save thousands of dollars and achieve incredible results. If you have a boiler business, then this case study is specifically for you to show you how you can make the most out of it and keep your home warm and cozy for years to come. So now in terms of the client overview, our client manages a resourceful website dedicated to helping the outdoor boiler owners maintain, protect and extend the lifespan of their boilers. They offer a range of solutions like the water treatment parts and the technical advice to ensure the boilers last for decades to come. Despite having a great platform and the products, they faced one major challenge. Customers were not fully aware of the maintenance services and how it could save them a lot of money in the long run. The next is in terms of how they have found us. The client came across one of our videos about optimizing the online presence and using the Google AdWords for the service-based businesses. After watching that video, they have reached out eager to take their outreach to the next level and help more outdoor boiler owners. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, they were dealing with the specific challenges. So the first thing is the low awareness. Customers didn't fully understand the importance of regular boiler maintenance and how it could save them money. The next is the targeting issues. Their ads weren't reaching the right audience, outdoor boiler owners who would benefit most from their services. Next is the competition. The market had similar product, but the client's unique services were not standing out. The next is in terms of the solutions that we have offered to them. First is the keyword research. We have focused on the niche search terms like extend outdoor boiler life, outdoor boiler maintenance tips and best water treatment for the boilers, targeting owners who were searching for solutions to protect their investment. The next is the ad copy creation. We have crafted compelling ad copy that highlighted how maintaining their boiler could save up to $250,000 over a lifetime. We have used phrases like protect your boiler, save money and extend boiler life with the expert tip. The next is the PMAX campaign. We have ran the PMAX campaign to expand their reach across Google's entire ecosystem, including the search and display and the YouTube, making sure they appeared in front of the right audience at the right time. The next is the Google My Business optimization, that is the GMB listing optimization. We have optimized their GMB profile, showcasing reviews, maintenance services and the success stories from happy customers. This made sure they stood out in the local searches. The next is the additional strategies to ensure maximum visibility and engagement. The first thing is the display ads. We have designed visually appealing display ads featuring the key benefits such as water testing and the parts replacement, targeting websites and the apps related to home heating and the outdoor boiler. The next is the local ads and the retargeting. We have set up the local ads targeting regions with the high concentration of the outdoor boiler owners, while also running the retargeting ads to bring back the visitor who had previously shown interest. The next is in terms of the results. So now after implementing these strategies, we saw a massive uptick in the performance. In just 1 month, we have got around 285 conversions at an average cost of only $8.32 per conversion. Customers began actively engaging with the brand, placing orders for water treatment services and regularly visiting the website for expert advice. Their outdoor boiler maintenance services gained significant traction and the client was thrilled with the increase in both awareness and sales. So now in terms of the call to action, visuals of the brand in action. So there you have it. The case study is proof that the right strategy you can help homeowners protect their investments and extend the life of their boilers. If you need help growing your business or drive more conversion, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories. Also hit that notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies.